so maybe it's gonna start at 1, but she hasn't said anything, which is slightly irritating because it's like, how am I supposed to pass this exam if I don't know when it is? Okay guys, we are starting off the vlog at 11:15 a.m. I just took an exam for one of my classes. I got a 91, so woo, go me. But yes, I'm so hungry. So I woke up at like, this test started at 9. So I woke up at like 8:30, prepared my oatmeal, as you guys saw, but I didn't eat it. And whenever I take a test, like, I get really stressed and I get really nervous. So by the time that I'm done, I'm like, I feel like I just went to work or something. Like, I'm gassed out, super tired, headache, hungry, like just stressed. So now I'm just gonna take some time to just chill. So if y'all have any test taking tips that help you, like, literally drop them below, because I have a test after this, have 2 finals next week, 3 finals next week, and I just need ways to relax, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can know the material and I'll still be in the test like, oh my God, like, is the sky blue? You know, like, I'm just nervous and I'm like, oh my God, make sure I actually click blue and not green. You know, it's just like, I want to do so well, I get stressed, and I feel like I stress myself out more than I need to. Like, I don't know if I need to be, like, light a candle, like, set the mood, have some slow jazz playing in the background. I don't know what I need to do, but something's gotta give. So for breakfast, I made some oatmeal and I put a little bit of cinnamon, nutmeg, and some brown sugar in it. I normally don't put sugar, maybe a little bit of honey, but I didn't have any fresh fruit to like add to my oatmeal, so I just decided to put a little sugar, sweeten it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna start editing Vlogmas day 8, which is crazy. Like, it's been almost 10 days that I've been doing Vlogmas, and I love it. Like, I love vlogging. It's just a vibe. I just enjoy it. But let me go, because I need to try to edit as much as possible, because I don't even know what time this test starts. Like, our professor didn't give us a time. Like, our normal class time is at 1 p.m. so maybe it's gonna start at 1, but she hasn't said anything, which is slightly irritating because it's like, how am I supposed to pass this exam if I don't know when it is? A story for another day. Stay tuned. Y'all, it is now 1 o'clock. It's time for my second exam. I took a quick 20-minute nap. I'm so tired. I'm just ready for the semester to be over. Alright, I passed my exam. Got a 91. Got 91 on both my exams today, so it's lit. But I'm tired. I just want to take a nap. Like I said, taking exams really stresses me out. Just so much brain power goes into it. Whew. I gotta leave for work in 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. I could go to sleep. I could sleep so good right now. But I gotta get to my bag. I need to get to my bag. So I'm gonna see y'all after work. All right, so we are home. And I'm getting Vlogmas day 8 up. Then we're gonna get it popping with the Christmas stuff. Who's texting me? Because if it's not my man, oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, I would just be like, when your man be texting you. Okay, I forgot what I was saying, but basically, just got home. Wait, the internet's not working? Hold up. I need to get Vlogmas Day 8 up. Then we're gonna start the Christmas decorations. I don't know if I got to say that. Okay, the Wi-Fi's not working. Good thing we have a hotspot. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've set up my hotspot on my new phone. Lord, I'm telling y'all, Apple Arcade, what is that? Included with the most recent purchase. Ooh, I'm gonna play some games. But I feel like every day there's something trying to stop me from, not that stupid password, what password is that? There's something trying to stop my Vlogmas from getting up, and it's not gonna happen. I just want to upload my Vlogmas. We're lit. We got the vibes going. I got The Grinch Who Stole Christmas playing. And the hot chocolate is warming up. My milk is warming up. And the Christmas vibes, y'all. The Christmas vibes are very strong, and I'm just loving it. Love the vibes. Love the fit. It's giving. All right, we're gonna do a little taste test. This is the the caramel one from that variety pack. That's interesting. I like it. This would be really good with a little bit of whipped cream and then some caramel drizzle on top, but that's really good. I'm really just enjoying this. Day 8 going up in 3 minutes. Trying to tell y'all, hop on that Forever 21 activewear train. It's so bomb. All the links are down below. My sizing is down below, so if you guys want to check it out, definitely cop. Y'all, let's talk about my slippers, my little reindeer slippers. My mom got them for me when I was like 16 and I love them. So every Christmas time, got the slippies out. Vlogmas Day 8 is up and we are lit out here. So I'm about to start editing Vlogmas Day 9. I hope you guys enjoyed today, and I will see you tomorrow with some more quality content. I'm really having fun doing this. If you guys have any suggestions, drop them down below. Good night. I feel accomplished. Like, I feel very accomplished. I'm very excited. I just feel like I'm in like the holiday mood now. Before I wasn't really feeling it. I know it's dark. Excuse the lighting. I just don't feel like turning the lights back on. But I finally feel like I'm in the Christmas spirit. Got my holiday mug. All right, see y'all.